Hi, my name is James, and today we are going to make a video about how to install Aruba ClearPass and how to add the license key. So first of all, I will let you know, from where you can download the Aruba ClearPass image. For today's tutorial, we will use the evaluation image and license. So if you go to this URL, I will put this in the description of the video. From here, if you make your new account, and once you make the account, later you can download the image and the evaluation license from here. You maybe need to contact to the Aruba ClearPass support team, the local support team, and that's how maybe it's easy and faster way you can download the license and the version as well. Excuse me. So I have already downloaded the version, and I'm going to install it on the VMware workstation. I will simply click on the home tab on the open a virtual machine. So I have the image which is OVA image. I have downloaded it from the Aruba website, the one I just now showed to you, and now straight away I'm going to click it, select it, and then open. End user license agreement, you can check it and then simply just tick the terms with your agree. Import the license, so I want to keep the image name as it is. For the destination, it's up to you. If you want to change it, then you can change it, else you can keep the same. In my case, I'm going to change it. So yeah, and then just simply click on the import. This uploading will depend on the system CPU and RAM, so maybe in your case it's maybe took a bit longer. Okay, so our image is now uploaded to the folder, to the destination folder, the one we already mentioned. For now, I want to keep this network adapters as the same as bridging, so it will take the IP subnet same as the host computer. Okay, apart from this, I will increase the RAM. Well, I'm going to increase it at the 8 GB, but 4 GB is also enough. And the second one is the hard disk. Yes, the hard disk we need to increase, otherwise later it will give an error. So I am going to add a new hard disk of 50 GB. I think 50 GB is enough. Create a new virtual hard disk. I select the same one which is recommended, SCSI. and then 50 GB, and just next. Destination, I'm going to select the same destination which I have already selected for the image itself. So CPPM 3. Okay, perfect. Finish, and then okay. Yeah, in my case I'm also going to upgrade the version, as because the previous image, the image I downloaded, it was not created as the VMware workstation, the latest one. I have right now the latest version, so that's why it's showing like I can also upgrade. Well, I'm going to upgrade it as well, and workstation 16x. Next, now it's asking to create a new clone of this or make the same one. I'm going for the same one, not a new, and then finish. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I think we are good now, and we can now boot the image. It will be again depend on the system, RAM and CPU. In some cases it will take more longer, but if you're okay, here it's asking for the all data on the new disk will be remove this. This is, I say yes. I clicked, and then Y for yes. Okay, now I think it will take some time. So once it's prompt me for the username and password, then I will be back. For now I'm going to pause the video. Hi, so the system is now booted up, and here we can see it's asking for the login, and here we can see this is our current version, which is 6.4. it's a evaluation version. We are using a default login for the CLI, which is app admin, and the password is 8tips123. Same for the GUI, there is a different username and passwords, which is admin, and the password is also the same, 8tips123. For the CLI, I'm going to add the username and password, and we will try to log in. From the CLI, we will do now the initial configuration, where it will ask for the host name. Oh, let me just type again. Okay, so we are in now, and it is asking me for the host name, so I'm going to type the host name for this CPPM. It's my first CPPM, maybe I also install the second one. Now it's asking for the management port IP address. This is my management port IP address. Later I will access this CPPM through GUI by this IP, by typing this IP. I will give the gateway. Gateway is actually, this is my router gateway anyway. For the data port, for now I'm not going to add. Later maybe we add later. DNS is my Active Directory, so this is the IP of my AD. And the second one, I'm going to add the my router ID, which is 254. It's also asking me to renew the password. So just now we use the by default password, but we need to add a new one. So about the time, I am updating the time, and I will do it manually. But if in your environment, if there is any NTP, you can also give the NTP IP, and that's how it will update from the NTP server. Also the time, I'm adding the time as well. As we must need to keep the time same in the Active Directory and the CPPM, otherwise there may be some issues. Also the time zone, I'm in Asia, so I type 5 and then 40 for Singapore, and then now it's asking me to continue or not. Okay, with the 1 I said yes, and for Y to continue, I agree with this, all of this setting. Okay, so now it will take again some time. I'll be back once it's boot again. So our machine is back, and we can see the showing the host name and also the management IP. Earlier we added. I will try to access we can access the GUI of CPPM. Now I will click on the ClearPass policy manager, because I have the license key, the evaluation license key for the 90 days. It's showing no license configuration for the policy manager. Please add a license key now. Well, you people also can get this 90 days evaluation license from the official portal of Aruba. Yeah, okay, our machine is activated for the next 90 days, and we will do well our all tutorials on this machine. So guys, that's all for now, and we'll see you in the coming videos. Thank you very much.